my sunshiny friends. It's Sunshine Annie here with an update of my DIY composition book planner. This is what last week's ended up looking like. I did forget to put in a few things, but we had quite a weird week. It started off, we had a lovely Mother's Day, but we realized at that point that my old cat wasn't doing well. So on Tuesday, we had to have her put down. And I mean, she was almost 19. She'd been 19 this summer coming up. So, you know, she had a good long life. But it's never easy to release our pets and let them go on to the Rainbow Bridge. It's never, ever easy. This week, other than, you know, our early release, I can't think of, oh, and I have a hair appointment on Saturday, finally. And my normal goals, which I haven't been doing very good with, is to make healthy choices, to drink more water, be more active, and try to have a healthy mindset. And I do that with art. I have done just some sketches, face sketches, because, and I'll show you a quick, I did this one. I'm working on this one, trying to get, I'm not so much facial symmetry, but I end up with big eyes. I don't even know when I did these ones, but yeah. And I'm focusing on faces because, I don't know, that's just where I go. So I've been trying to work on getting lips to look right and noses. And I did work a little bit in my Wanderlust. I do watch the videos, but I'm just struggling all over the place. This was what I ended up coming up with for the last Wanderlust thing. Whoops, let me see if I can get that in frame. What she was doing were these cards, and you could put them up as a wall hanging or whatever. And I didn't get there. I did little vignettes, and then they ended up working into one. We were supposed to be thinking of I think she had a person in mind. For me, this made me think of my grandmother's garden. She was an avid gardener. And so I did some, this was a napkin. These went flowers from napkins. This was from a book that does collages. That's a tea bag that I'd stamped on. That's a tea bag. There's some music paper and just odds and ends of paper. And then I did weird faux viney things to do the edging. And I think, yeah, you saw the thing on Penny. This is my update. I changed this out and drew roses and then lined them with gold. I think I'm going to do the butterfly with gold to give it some definition. I may do some other pieces with gold. And I think the rest of it you've seen. We were given this as part of our teacher appreciation week, and it had a little note in it. And what I decided to do is I'm turning it, well, it's just hard to look at with this in the background, maybe. So I'm trying to turn it into a little mini, not really junk journal, but more like an art journal where I can put stuff in. I was just doodling some bees. This was some colors. I got some of the watercolors to do some of the writing that goes with the Wanderlust, and I did this as a sampler so I'd know what the colors looked like. So I got a pewter watercolor. So they're all metallics. It's pewter. These are Wilson Newton Cotman watercolors. The silver is this one. The yellow gold is that one. The red copper is this one. And this is the bronze. So, yeah, I did a little sampler so I could see what the colors would look like if they were out. And I did write down what they were. So I'm going to be doing some little, I may put this on Instagram if I do little short scenes in this. Scenes. I don't even know what to call it. Little art journals in there. So this is what this week is looking like. Today has just been a cleaning day. Literally using a steam cleaner for the sofa, and washing all the cushions, and we had to steam clean a rug that we have. So that was the sofa and the rug, and then basically laundry like crazy. Hopefully you have a good week. I appreciate your support. I appreciate you, your comments, your kindness. I did see my grandson. That was the highlight of my weekend, was getting to see him and hold him and see his first smiles that he's doing, because he's just a precious baby. And just love him to pieces. So thank you for watching, and hope you have a good week. Bye.